Do you need a permit to operate a greywater reclamation system? That depends on your local authority having jurisdiction. Many cities today have eased their regulations pertaining to greywater use. Many cities do not require a permit for a simple laundry to landscape type of greywater reclamation system, but call your city permit department to find out if you're required to have a permit or not. Now, let's go over some general permit requirements, the do's and don'ts of greywater reclamation systems. Do not allow greywater to pool on your property. Do not allow greywater to run off of your property. Do not irrigate edible vegetation with greywater. Do not use greywater for potable uses or personal hygiene. Power supply for your greywater pumps must be plugged into a GFCI outlet or have a GFCI power cord. Do not allow your pumps to run dry. A freshwater makeup valve will be needed to prevent your pumps from running dry in the event that you do not generate enough greywater to keep up with the demand. Do not allow pets or children to come in contact with greywater. Do not store greywater for long periods of time as it can turn septic. The rule of thumb is only store greywater for 24 hours. If you are using greywater to flush and fill your toilets, this should not be an issue because as you generate greywater throughout the day, you will also be using up greywater. If you are not comfortable or knowledgeable with plumbing and basic electrical and carpentry work, do not attempt to install a greywater reclamation system by yourself. Hire a professional. Do use biodegradable detergents for landscape irrigation type greywater systems. Do not wash dishes with greywater. Install your system in a way that complies with building code. We will go over some basic design guidelines in the following lecture.